tumble at the top. It's called the Hooey Loop. 6 positive G's on the upline. Then the tumble. Recovering inverted, pushing the stick forward and experiencing 6 negative G's, trying to throw Sean out of the cockpit. Have inspired an entire generation of radio-controlled pilots whose aircraft, as they became more and more sophisticated, did maneuvers that even Sean was unable to duplicate. Watch now as he rolls to the left and his shoulder rolls to the right. As he reaches 0 airspeed, he pushes hard on the left rudder pedal, pulls back gently on the stick to do not 1, but 2 consecutive hammerhead stall turnarounds. Inspired these radio-controlled pilots, and they in turn inspired him to do maneuvers that have never been done in a full-size fixed-wing aircraft. The Oracle Challenger 3 you see here today is the newest of Sean's aircraft, serial number 001. His older aircraft could not keep up with Sean. This aircraft weighing in at a mere 1,220 pounds, and with a nearly 400 horsepower motor, makes it, without a doubt, the most high-power aerobatic biplane in the world today. Watch as Sean skids around to do the frisbee turn, inverted, flat, and skidding. Now it's time to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Sean D. Tucker. Sean D., are you with us?
Well, it's clear, Mr. Ryder, ladies and gentlemen. Together, let's say it. The 3 best words in the English language. You got that right, baby. It's God's love to America. We see the man in one of his uniform. Well, thanks for protecting our freedom, keeping the kids in the high. Going 120 miles an hour. Yeah, baby, this is the high. And I'm going to go straight up for a while. Starting with his brand, competing in the World Championship, and he came up with this move. He started hovering. People say, wow, pretty cool. And then all of a sudden, he pops in the clock. And he starts going into reverse, tail first, turn his smoke, disappears, and it's smoke, flying backwards, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 miles an hour. What? A tough world champion, United States of America, the aerobatic